Hi guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my AI Profit Machine review. So here we have the newest launch by Michael Cheney. It is going live today on the 11th of November, I believe. Yes, at 8 a.m. New York time. So guys, under this review, this YouTube review, I'll put the link to my written review in the description box, where you will see the whole breakdown of what this launch is all about. Obviously, I'll show you the members area here and now soon, okay? But if you want like really comprehensive details, if you prefer to read, check out my written review. You will also see all of the bonuses I've got to offer and the funnel information. I believe I have put it all together quite nicely. So now, what's AI Profit Machine all about? Michael Cheney is a proper legend in internet marketing arena, space, world, right? A proper veteran, or how do they say it? I believe that's the way to say it. Close to 3 decades of experience. So his mind, his marketing brain has been encapsulated in this product as such. Okay, what I mean by that, you know, we all have access to ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever AI tool out there. And do we make money with it? Do we know how to use it in order to monetize our campaigns? Well, not necessarily, okay, because we don't know how to squeeze it like a lemon. You know, whatever the output that you will get from AI will depend on the input. So you need to know how to prompt, how to train AI. You know, I do know now how to probably get very decent and human sounding content from AI after having gone through so many training courses about that and all of that. Okay, so how many will take the time and energy to really dig in, okay, and know how to train ChatGPT to get really like the best out of it. Well, what Michael Cheney has done, guys, with this launch, and by the way, not only are you getting access to this AI trained by close to 3 decades of experience brain of Michael Cheney, but also reseller rights. Yeah, what I mean by reseller rights, 100% commission across the whole funnel for one of best-selling Michael's products. Evergreen best-selling. So guys, you're getting reseller rights for the unbeatable price of $9.95 for the front end. And yes, there will be some upsells, but for the price of the front end alone, you're getting reseller rights to one of Michael Cheney's products with a lot of done-for-you promotional content on top of that. And you're getting access to this AI trained by Michael Cheney that will produce for you reviews, bonuses, and social media posting. Again, all done from a perspective of probably number one internet marketer, right? Okay, he is a legend indeed. So guys, let me show you the members area. And again, for all of the details and my bonuses, superior bonuses, which will really complement this product nicely, 5 bonuses I give you guys access to, and the whole funnel, you know, information is all also put together here, so you know what you're getting yourself into in case you were considering some of the upsells. So go check it out. The link to this review will be in the description box below my YouTube review. Now let me take you to well, I was gonna show you actually the sales page. So it is also right here, $9.95. Guys, you will get to the sales page through my written review, okay? So if you click through here, click the link below my review, YouTube review, and then if you click through get the best price, okay, it's gonna take you to my affiliate link, okay? If you purchase it via my affiliate link, I really appreciate that. And also, again, I give you all of the bonuses mentioned on my written review. So don't worry, you're not gonna be taken to the checkout if you click here, but to the sales page. So go through the sales page. It hasn't gone live yet, as you can see, in almost 23 minutes, but this is, I do have the sales page here. It's gonna look like that once it's gone live, so go check it out. Right, and of course this is a Warrior Plus. There will be a few upsells, guys, which you will read about on my written review. Alright, I'm really excited to show you the members area, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now you will have an invite to a live session which will take place on Sunday, I believe. Okay, right, and yeah, here is a welcome video from Michael. I love listening to Michael. He's so entertaining. I was listening to the, obviously I checked out the whole training course yesterday, last night, evening. My daughter was reading a book next to me, and she was giggling because, yeah, I was sort of like giggling myself, because Michael has such an upbeat and very high-spirited approach, okay? Yeah, he's a very, very cheerful and positive person. That's how I see him, okay? And even though he's a millionaire, he keeps working, keeps providing value, okay? And with a very, very generous spirit. Most of the time, very often he would give 100% commission to his affiliates, not only for the front end, but OTO number 1, 2. So I love this generous spirit. Personally, I'm sort of allergic to tight-fisted spirit, okay? Because in order to receive, we first need to give, right? But not with a calculated mind. Give because you have a good heart, okay? Provide value. And that's just a source of miracles. But I know I'm just getting carried away. But hold on, right? So here we are. Step number 2 is getting started, getting approved, and download your done for you promo. So for your reseller rights, guys. So for the product, let me show you this one. Get approval for the product that is called, let me just click on that one, Partner and Profit. Okay, so get approved here. You just say, you go to get your affiliate link now. I have already been approved. I don't know why it's not loading up now. Maybe my connection is going or something. But yeah, you will get automatically approved. You just need to say the words that Michael shares with you in this video. I'm not going to say what the words are, but even as a complete newbie, you will be approved to promote Partner and Profit and get 100% commission across the whole funnel. Okay, it's one of his best-selling products, evergreen, and yeah, it's awesome. And then you will get a chance also to, with this get started, get started is another video explaining the product, where he says like go through the tutorials on how to create a bonus, a product review, and social posting using this AI that Michael has trained for you with his close to 3 decades internet marketer brain. So let me show you how that works. So let me click on that, and right below this video, which you will have accessible also as a transcript, audio only or video, you will have access to this bot, okay, AI Profit Machine. So the way it's gonna work, you first get the bonus, then get the review, and the review, depending on which bonus you picked, it will suggest a few bonuses. Okay, a creation of a few bonuses, which this bot obviously will create for you. Okay, and Michael shows you how to deliver them in a very easy way, turn them into a PDF. Okay, you can use Google Docs, you can use Microsoft Word, and just then download it as a PDF, and he shows you where to go to Warrior Plus depending on which product you promote to deliver this bonus to your buyers. Okay, so that's that. And then the review that's going to be created for you will refer to the bonus that you would have created in the first place. Okay, first you create the bonus, then the review, and then the social posts as well. I'll show you how it works. I'll grab the sales page, or if the sales page is very long, not the URL, but you've got to grab the actual text. So let me grab some text from it. Okay, maybe I'll go like halfway, not to overload, even though it should really cope just fine with the content of all of the sales page, although this one seems quite long. But I'll paste it in here and show you how to get bonus. Okay, get bonus. Hold on, first I need to enter the text. Yeah, sure. So provide the content of the sales letter for the product you want to promote, and I'll help you create a complimentary bonus report based on that information. So this is what the buyers always look for. You know, so you don't want to have a product about email marketing and then give them a bonus about how to make money with Instagram or something like that, you know. So it should be complementary. Right, so let me paste that and see what the bot is going to reply to that. You see, and then right off the bat is giving you 5 ideas on how to, what bonuses. A mindset of a millionaire, how to think like a success. I like that. So now what you need to do, you don't even need to say much. You just enter the number of which bonus you want to create, and then you can create more bonuses, of course, but number 5. And then there you go. And the bonus is being created for you. What you then do, you just copy the content, paste it into either, what I like to do, I like to copy it into Google Docs. It's totally free, right? And then download it as a PDF and I host it on Google Drive. That's how I do it. But other ways, okay? You can use any free PDF creating software that's available. Just Google it. Plenty of them available for free, okay? So this is a report that you would use as a bonus. And then let's go and get a review. Now I just clicked on get review and there you go. It's creating the review for me, rating, overview, why you should buy this, about the vendor, about Michael Cheney, positives, negatives, but it mentions negatives in such a way that it turns them into positives, really, okay? In a, I would say, not a sneaky way, but a clever way, right? And then it also will refer to the bonus, okay, you picked. You see, it mentions the bonus. You will receive a mindset of a millionaire bonus report, which provides invaluable insights into developing the habits and mindset necessary for success. Amazing. And then let's get social posts. So guys, this content, sure, to create personalized social, I need to know your hobbies. I love it. Yeah, exactly. Because you want to mention your hobbies and if you have a pet and the name of a pet. So let's say swimming because and dog Bobby. Okay, and that's it. Not dog. So because it will create the post, the social post in a very personalized way. Okay. Nobody wants to read social posts which sound impersonal, which are not subjective, so not referring to you and your life, because then how can we relate to that? People want to read something that sounds a little bit more personal, right? So it mentions the dog and fetch the cash. Okay, cool. Nothing beats the joy of splashing around with my fairy friend. Okay, cool. You see, I just finished a swim with Bobby and I'm feeling like a champ. Okay, I love it. Okay, guys, so you're getting the brain of Michael Cheney here, infused with the brain of Michael Cheney. So AI trained by Michael Cheney, creating super cool reviews, bonuses, social media posts, which are custom made, okay, to you, to your personality, to your life, which is amazing. And reseller rights to one of best-selling products by Michael Cheney, guys. And if that wasn't enough, here you have this video. It's about 15 minutes long. I love it. It's very personal, in which Michael shares his struggles, okay? His struggles, very personal. He's talking about his dad and how he was raised and this and that. Watch it. You're going to find it very, very inspirational. And it really reveals the strength of his character. He's a very charismatic guy. Now here we have a bunch of bonuses as well. Probably my favorite one is this millionaire cloning system in which he talks is about 25 minutes long, his daily habits. And I must say, I share a lot of Michael's daily habits, so my future is looking bright. No, but it's true. I also start with exercise, with yoga. I go to sleep early and I wake up early. I take a cold shower in the morning. It just gives me this amazing energy which carries me through the whole day. All right, so as you can see, happy chappy. Yeah, life is good. Life is a blessing. Okay, guys, so if you want to pick it up via the link below my review and get also my bonuses, one of them is my personal book. I actually sell on Gumroad, okay, but you'll get it for free, and a bunch of other different very special bonuses, and you'll read about them on my written review. And go through the funnel. You see, you have the funnel details here. The front end only $9.95. So guys, unbeatable price for such a brilliant, very special product, very valuable product. So guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.